The developments keep happening with this story. We now hear about 25 lost minutes between the time that Carl Williams was bashed and the authorities found him. Could that have saved him? I'm not really sure, but he was certainly grievously injured.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, even if he is badly injured, the paramedics still have to go through all the security checks to get in there?
That's true, indeed. But, there's who knows what sort of state he was in, but certainly there should have been faster attention. There's going to be several inquiries into this.
A bashed and bleeding Carl Williams lay dying in his prison cell for 25 minutes before he was found by guards. The security lapse was revealed as the police corruption watchdog took control of the murder investigation. That's a very interesting 20-odd words.
Well, it's very provocative, but I guess the issue was that the other man in the unit at that time, Thomas Ivanovic, who we can name, had connections into corrupt police. And he was, in fact, a prosecution witness in a very important upcoming trial, as was Williams. So just what's gone on there, we don't know yet, but certainly this is going to become a de facto Royal Commission into police corruption in Victoria. There's going to be gathering calls for a serious independent probe into this whole thing.
38 words says it all. Now, why would the police corruption watchdog be involved in this?
Well, as I say, because the man on the scene at the time had connections into corrupt elements in the force.
Right.
So there's now these things have not been resolved. We were going to get a trial, but it looks like we may not now. So a lot of the statements that have been made, a lot of the evidence that's been gathered, will never see the light of day.
And we're going to hear, I think, in the next 24 hours, some announcements in relation to the pending charges or court cases that have now been corrupted by the death of Carl Williams.
That's right, or just made null and
redundant,
void.
Yeah.
And I guess the issue was that as far back as at least 2 or 3 years ago, Simon Overland was preparing the police force for a Royal Commission. He thought that the smoking gun between the underworld and corrupt police had been found, and it was time now to prepare for that. They pulled back from that, and now I think it's going to become a massive issue for the state government. Already law and order, or lawlessness and lack of order, is becoming a major issue for the Brumby government, and they've got to address it. There's a loss of faith in the public institution at present, and Carl Williams' death, that's the irony of this, is that he was about to help, but now that won't happen.